All right, today we got the 1986 Porsche 944. This one's only got 78,000 miles. Great color combo. True two owner, 78,000 miles, and it's a stick. So you got a white exterior, and it's got a maroon leather interior. Only thing aftermarket on this is it does have a Bluetooth radio. Loving the seats on this car. They are a cloth setup, real sunroof car. Interior's in great shape though. You got 78,960 on it right now. You got the back rear cloth seats as well. But the dash, just super clean, no cracks. You got power windows, power seat obviously. Put those lights down, give you one more walk around. So like I said, 1986, true two owner car, only 78,000 miles. This one's going live on our website today at BRIANSAutocenter.com.